Hi, myself Ernakulam. I am the head of the Department of Fire and Safety, HSE Management in Techshore. I would like to tell you something about the course which we are conducting here in Techshore. That's the advantage than other institutions. So many institutions are here in South India. They are conducting HSE. And other some courses also. That here also we are also fire and safety, that logistics, oil and gas technology, hospital administration, aviation. So many courses we are conducting here. And during the last 15 years, we are in this field and we are conducting all the courses that will be international courses. And we are having Government of India, central government approval for each and every courses, and universities approvals and everything is there that we are having. And what are the advantages? I told you that the advantage, whatever it is, if you are doing the course in Techshore, that means the advantage number one. In Techshore, that is the faculties that we are coaching to you, that all our senior faculties are here for each and every courses. And that all faculties are above 30 years experienced personnel here. And that will be a very big advantage to you. And not only that, if I am telling about the fire and safety course that we are conducting, I am conducting this, all the courses I am teaching here. That means that I am not teaching such as syllabus continuation class. That I have 32 years experience in oil and gas sector in HSE. I have left the job as a corporate HSE manager. So that I am conducting the class. I am teaching you such as how to be a safety personnel and what to be a safety personnel and what are their duties. That everything exactly it says that a practical class you are getting. And this myself, I have made a personal syllabus, a special syllabus for me, in which that syllabus I am teaching to you. And I have included in that 50% NABOSH and IOSH classes there. If anybody or take NABOSH or IOSH after this basic course of safety, that you can conduct and you can pass a NABOSH class, and personality development class, and first aid and self-motivation classes, and everything will be with the safety class that we are conducting here. And that means that after the class, that whenever you are pass out and going out, you will be a minimum 1 year experienced person, just like a 1 year experienced person you are going out. And not only that, after the course also, all support we are giving, and I think that the placement, 100% placement we are giving to you, and we are providing that other things that after the course, if you are joined and working anywhere else, that you can, any doubt comes, that you can contact to us. That means after course support, that also we are giving anytime. So many people are calling that. Working at the GCC Gulf countries and European countries very well, that they are having any doubt, they are calling to me, and I am giving all the supports to them and all the procedures, and so many procedures also. Safety means there is not a person who is standing at site with the helmets. Safety means so many documentations are there for fire and safety. And other thing, that you are getting all the support from here, that and after this course that you will be, and in the placement it's 100% placement support we are giving. To not only support that placement directly we are giving to you, that will be very better. And also, whenever you are learning this here in Techshore, after your class, all the copies of documentations you will get. We will provide all the copies of the documentations, that procedures, reports, and so many documentations are there. You will get all the copies of documents. That will help you when you are started to work in any of the establishment. If you are doing all the documentation without anybody's help, that will be very advantage to you, and you can please the management. So that are the advantages of Techshore. If I'm telling this, you believe or not believe, that's the other thing, that we will just come and make an inquiry that, and we can see that how the courses are going in Techshore. This Techshore, that's whatever it is I'm telling to you, that's exactly happening here.